Ari Rabinovitch joins us from the CityNews Business Center. And Ari, the Bank of Canada is leaving interest rates unchanged, but we did get a few hints today about what's to come.
Yes, definitely, Erica. So, as expected, the Bank of Canada left interest rates unchanged. So the overnight lending rate sits at 5%, where it's been for the past 4 meetings in a row. So the good news is there's no changes, but also there's no clear path about when rates will come down. Although when we read between the lines from some of Governor Tiff Macklem's statement following that announcement, there were suggestions that rate hikes are likely done, barring any major headwinds or curveballs thrown at the central bank. It looks like the next move will be a rate cut. The question is, when?
Okay, Boeing's CEO was forced to face the music in Washington today, Ari.
Yes, and this follows that Alaska Airlines incident from earlier this month when a door plug blew off a plane mid-air. So the CEO, David Calhoun, sat down with senators in Washington to, yes, essentially face the music and answer for what actually went wrong. And in the statement, Calhoun said, "We fly safe planes," hoping to provide some reassurance for passengers going forward. Now, the stock did close in the green in the session today on Wall Street, but also a Seattle report from a whistleblower noted that in that incident, it was related to a door plug being removed for repair. It was installed improperly and wasn't inspected fully before being returned to Alaska Airlines. And also United and Alaska Air are expressing frustration at Boeing's quality control process as nearly 200 planes are still grounded for inspections.
Interesting. Yeah, there was the door, and then after the loose bolts, a lot of damage control Boeing needs to do there. All right, finally, the electric vehicle market is suddenly getting very crowded, and that means some stiff competition for Tesla.
And it seemed like Tesla had the entire market to itself for at least a year or two, being the #1 seller of electric vehicles in the world. But now there's more competition. Notably, China-based BYD is nipping at Tesla's heels. And in the latest earnings report, Tesla missed on expectations for revenue and profit, led by slowing demand for electric vehicles and, of course, more competition. And not only that, Tesla expects the slowdown to continue, but it does say that it is working on a next-generation vehicle. Many are expecting redesigns for the Model 3 and Y being the most popular models.
All right. Thanks, Ari. That's CityNews business editor Ari Rabinovitch.